Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve a question, first and last digit on the CodeChef platform. So let's dive into the problem statement. So the problem is we are given an integer n and we have to find the sum of the first and the last digit of the number. So the input format is that the first line contains the number of test cases, how many times we have to run our program, that is the number of test cases. And after that, in the next line we have the integer n. And let's look at some examples. So this is the example. In this there are 3 test cases and these are the 3 numbers, and we have to find the sum of the first and the last digit. So in this 1 2 3 4, the first digit is 1 and the last digit is 4. So let's dive into the code now. So now what we are going to do is, in the first line we take the input of number of test cases. We are using the variable underscore so that we don't have to use any other names like x and y, which we will be using inside the loop. Okay, so now we are taking the number as the input, but here we will take the number as we will keep the input as string, because we only want the first and the last digit, and so it will be easier if the input is in a form of a string, right? And that is the default functionality of Python. So now what we have to do is we just have to print the answer. So what we have to do is int the first number plus converting to int the last number. So I think that will do it. Okay, I can check the custom input. Let's try copying this. Let's paste it, and yes, I think that works. So let's make the final submission so that all test cases are run. Yeah, that is the correct solution. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with another video.